Packing your bags but wondering if sewing needles can tag along on your flight. Whether you're a crafty traveler or just prepared for the occasional wardrobe malfunction, let's break down the TSA rules for bringing needles on a plane. Here's the quick answer. Yes, you can bring sewing needles on a plane. TSA allows all types of needles in both carry-on and checked bags. But for safety and convenience, it's better to pack them in your checked baggage. Let's dive into the details. What about knitting needles? Knitting needles are also allowed in carry-on and checked baggage according to TSA guidelines. However, the final say lies with the TSA officer, so pack them securely to avoid issues. Packing tips for needles. Use solid containers for your needles to keep them organized. Place the container in your checked baggage or a secure spot in your carry-on. Traveling light, slip them into a small sewing kit or matchbox to stay organized and safe. Sharp objects restrictions. Other sharp tools like cutters or scissors with long blades are restricted in carry-on bags. These must go in your checked luggage and be properly wrapped to prevent injuries. Airline-specific rules. Not all airlines have the same rules. Delta Airlines, needles are allowed in both carry-on and checked bags. British Airways, same as Delta. Lufthansa and Brussels Airlines, needles are restricted to checked baggage only. Always check with your airline beforehand to avoid surprises. Traveling internationally with needles. When flying internationally, be cautious. Some airlines may have stricter rules, especially for items in the cabin. If you're unsure, packing needles in checked luggage is your safest bet. Final thoughts. To wrap it up, needles are generally allowed in both carry-on and checked baggage. Pack them securely, respect TSA and airline rules, and you're good to go. If you have questions about other items, check out our video on traveling with syringes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your travel questions. Safe travels and happy stitching!